So what you do, you take the yarn and you put it at one end of the shuttle, and then you simply just do a figure of 8 down one side of the shuttle. Turn the shuttle over and do another figure of 8 down the other side. And you just simply repeat this over again. Figure of 8, turn the shuttle over. Figure of 8, turn the shuttle over. The idea is basically that you want to build the yarn out sideways. So when you go to weaving it, you're not stretching the strings upwards. It leaves the strings nice and firm. When it comes to actually weaving, you have the shuttle and you have the tail of the yarn one end, and you start weaving from the other end. And with the shuttle, you literally just go over one string, under the next string, over one string, under the next string, and just continue. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And then with practice, you'll just get much quicker, quicker and quicker and quicker. And then when you get to the end, you push the shuttle all the way through. And there you have it. A perfect weave. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more craft tutorials.